Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us here in the monthly and weekly and daily, because today the monthly candle is finished, weekly candle finished, and the daily candle finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video, or go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at that, next to it a bell, turn it on, so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we given daily signals. The link of our Telegram and Discord is it down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the monthly candle is finished here, which is that green candle here. Let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. As you see, that candle here, it's the monthly candle. Here we finish it. That one here, then we saw the big jump what happened today, or that big pump what happened today in the Bitcoin. Everything still looking very great, and us like how us we been accepting all those things. Only thing, guys, us that level where we are here is the same level here as you see it, so you need to be careful about those things. Before we came there, I want to show you something else before we reach to that level, to show you that level. As you see here, that 50 moving average, as we said it here, it's been the market to react to it as a very stronger resistance here. And now here, the Bitcoin, he break it up, he came back, he tested here. Now for us to know that one is a very stronger resistance here, it's need the Bitcoin to go back up and to break for us that last high, which is here, which is at 31k. So if the Bitcoin go up here and breaking that 31k level here, because that level is it start from here. You need to remember those things what I'm telling you, because that 31k, if you came and you extend it like that to show you exactly the level, as you see it from here, last time it bounced from it here and go up till that 69k. Then from there we fall down till here. Now we go back, we test it here. Yes or no? We tested the first time. Now it go back, it test here the 50 moving average. Now if the Bitcoin go back and breaking above that level here, the next level is it here at 40k, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you. The 40k level is it here at that peak here exactly. Over there it's 40k level. Now we're holding us till now is the 31k here. Should you enter long here, people? They just came now, they haven't entered long yet. They haven't buy with us from 15k, they haven't buy with us from 25k. Should you enter long at this time? Technical analysis, not yet. It's need the Bitcoin to come to break that 31k here to tell you the Bitcoin it will go up more than that. Another thing here, that level where we are here, that one here exactly is the same level here, guys. You need to remember those things what I'm telling you. Same level here, as you see it, that where we are here. We're going to see here some jumps up, down, but there is a pump coming. As you see, if you came here and you calculating those months here, that one here is July 2019, August, September, October, November, December, January 2020, February 20, then March of 2020. Now that man telling us the bull is going to start till here, that month here of April. Now where we are from that, guys? Us, we are just in the start of October. You see it or no? October here, is it that month here exactly? That green month here, that October here, that where you are now. That means there is more sideways market here before we see the major jump that we analyze in the past. Now here if the Bitcoin came and breaking that cup and handle neckline here at 31k. Forget about all that, and you need to enter with everything you have, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the weekly to analyze for you the Bitcoin there, for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in the weekly, guys. By the way, before we analyze here in the weekly, I will not put for you the economical data today because we got a lot of chart to analyze, so we don't want the video to be too long. Till tomorrow we're going to analyze for you for all the week, so we are sorry for that, guys. Here in the weekly, as you see, that the channel us we've been talking about here. You remember it or not? People they've been with us, they remember that channel. We've been talking about it here. We said when we fall down, we touch it here, and the Bitcoin is showing to us here. Those big tails here, we said that very good sign, but it's need the Bitcoin to go back up and to break for us that level which is here at 31k. Same things applying here. Very good news today. We're closing a very engulfing candle here in the weekly, but that it doesn't change nothing, guys. Till now we haven't break the neckline here of that cup and handle here, as you see it. That one also we've been talking about thousands of times here in that channel. Yes or no? Because I know some people they don't see it, but that weekly here, look at it, how clear it is. It's a cup and handle here, guys. You see it or no? Yeah, no, we haven't broken here that 31k. Same things, it's applying in the monthly, it's applying here in the weekly. It's need the Bitcoin to break for us that 31k. That for people that just came now and they want to enter once. People they been with me here in that channel, they know exactly where is the levels me I put here a pending order here at 25k. It's getting triggered here. I told you I got another one here at 21k here. Those ones the levels me I got pending orders in them. I got another one here at 19k. All those levels, guys, me if the Bitcoin drop I'm going to buy. Why me I put pending orders there? Because the drop will be very fast and you can't catch it to open your broker and those things. Always put 25% from the cash of you in those levels here. The last one I put it down here at 15k. I don't think so that one it will buy it, but if it doesn't buy it, if the Bitcoin give me a signal to enter long, I'm going to cancel it and I'm going to enter long. Remember those things, guys. First one I got it here at 21k. That's the first buying pending order I got. Second one here at 19k. And the third one at 15k. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. For pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Here we are in the daily, guys. Here in the daily we got a lot of things to say, but the first one is it here, the 200 moving average, guys. The 200 moving average, you just touch it from down. You are not the only person who see it. A lot of people they seeing the 200 moving average is a very stronger now resistance. Yes or no? It's not a support now, it's very stronger resistance here. Either from here we're going to break it and the Bitcoin will go back up to the bull market, or from here we're going to see another dump and the Bitcoin will fall down again. Now here, what else we been saying? It taking off those moving averages. Also we been saying we got here a head and shoulder, as you see it. That head and shoulder here, it's breaking for us the neckline by that candle here today. Yes or no? Where it need to be the take profit for that head and shoulder. We do it like that and we will do it like that. It's going to be here exactly at 29,900. That where it need to be the take profit for that break will happen here, guys. Now the people, you can enter long now because it's breaking the head and shoulder neckline. Top loose of you put it down here at that shoulder here. Everything is too clear, guys. Another thing also we used to say here, we got here a very clear triangle. That triangle is getting broke here by that big candle here. That big candle will break in to know exactly take profit of it. That one it will give you more up. Will give you here a 31k, guys. That's why I told you you can enter long now. Stop loss of you put it down here. Now I'm talking here just about daily, weekly and monthly. It's not yet. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's going to see the Ethereum what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here Ethereum we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it last time, from here we fall down and now also we are in it. Yes or no? The levels I got here in the Ethereum, because yesterday in the Ethereum I told you maybe you're going to enter short from here, from that level here. I told you maybe you're going to enter short. You can go back and watch the video. I will not lie at you or something, but I told you it's need the Bitcoin to break that double top here and to break the neckline. Did it break it? No, it happened here a major pump today. Why? Because of the FTX and that court approval for them to use their funds, and they got a lot of Ethereum that will push the Ethereum today that much like that. Yes or no, guys? Now what you need to do at that time here, because that level here, that one where we are, is a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Either from here we're going to see a correction to that one here, then after that the Ethereum to go up, but at this time there is no short. At this time there is no short. The Ethereum it's still continued upward, but even for the long, as I tell you in yesterday video, there is no entry from the top. Entry was from down here. People they been with us when the market gave us there that head and shoulder, we enter long. At this time there is no entry long. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you said, it's enter here to overbought area. So technically you need to look into enter short. Hold you enter short now. At this time, no, we need a price action here. If there is no price action, there is no entry short, guys, and no entry long. You need to wait till you got here a clear price action telling you need to enter long. And by the way, if we break in that high here, that one here, we are going to jump up till here the top. So everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Same things like the Ethereum. The only thing here in the Bitcoin is just breaking here that neckline here of that head and shoulder as we've been waiting the break of it. It's break it today as you see it here, and that's a very good sign. The only thing now we are stuck here, and I just tell it to the people in my Telegram and my Discord. I told them if we haven't broken here, there is no balls yet. Maybe from here we're going to see another drop, guys. So be careful. We need to wait until Monday candle finish it. Maybe Monday candle we're going to see another drop. So even that one is possible. So we need to be careful. Now here we don't got nothing. Actually, it's the rocket taking off. We need to wait that touching the ceiling and starting slow its speed for us to thinking of to enter long or to enter short. Because when the bull market came back, there is no market makers, no nothing. We just been talking about me and someone. He said that level there is a lot of short or blah blah. When the bull market is going to start, it's going to jump very fast, and there is no one can enter short. Anyone he will put a short order here, it will get liquidated very quickly. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, guys, it touch here that level here. Technically, us we need to enter short, yes or no? But till now we don't got any price action telling us we need to enter short. You need to remember that. Till the market gave you a behavior in the chart telling you need to enter short. That's the right time. At this time there is no price action, so you need to wait till you got a clear price action. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Our indicator is enter here to overbought area. Level us we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it. Should we enter short at this time? At this time, no, my friend. There is nothing telling us we need to enter short. We need to wait in the market to give us here a price action for us to enter short. There is no just enter from level here. If you enter from there, you got very high chance you stop lose, it will be hit, then the market it will fall down maybe. So don't try to be from those people they try to enter based on those levels. To enter from those levels, you need to have a very tight money management, very strict money management. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please pause the video now smash the thumbs up which is down, write down a comment, tell us your thought, what you're thinking about the Bitcoin. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in the Bitcoin, guys, I enter a short today from here. You can ask people in my Telegram, my Discord, I enter a short from here because the trend line here, it's getting broke here, as you see it. Yes or no? Then my stop loss, I put it here. That candle here, it's hitting my stop loss. That's part of the game. Because I'm not every time 100% right. We'll have me a follow that flag I show you before here. When it's getting broke here, we'll have a enter with it long tail here. But I got other cryptos I buy to make me a very nice profit today. Now at that level where we are here, should we enter short? Not yet. We don't got any price action here telling us we need to enter short. So we need to wait till we got a price action clear telling us there we need to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator was saying. Our indicator is here at the overbought area. Technically you need to looking for short, but at this time we don't got nothing, so us we need to wait. Another thing here, the Bitcoin, he tried to give you here a small double top here. As you see it, by those candles, if you go to lower time frames, it's going to be more clear. It will be here at that level here. As you see it here, that the double top I'm talking about. You see it or no? If that one falls down here and breaking that neckline here, you can enter short, guys. And if it's breaking, we're going to give it as a signal in our Telegram and in our Discord. That way, every time I'm telling you, you can join us in Telegram and Discord. The link is down in description of that video. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.